Hey there, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to add a second account in the Temu app on your Android phone. This is useful if you want to manage two different accounts for shopping or personal use. Let's get started without wasting time. First, open the Temu app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the profile icon. Then, once your profile page opens, click the settings icon in the top right. Scroll down and select Switch Accounts. This option allows you to manage multiple accounts. Now tap on Add Account. The app will prompt you to choose a method to sign in. Tap Continue with Google or choose another available method like email or Facebook. Select the Google account you want to use as your second Temu account. Once logged in, go back to the Switch Accounts page. You'll now see both your accounts listed. To switch between the two accounts, simply tap on the one you want to use. It will log you in instantly. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you can easily switch between two accounts in Temu on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.